Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing consistent daily revenue rolling in from content that doesn't even require you to show your face on camera. Is it actually possible to make real money from simple whiteboard animations? Well, the short answer is absolutely yes. There are channels out there right now, take Chris Invest for example, that are pulling in an average of $50 every single day just by creating this specific style of content. And today, we are going to unpack exactly how you can do it too. Welcome to The Explainer. I'm totally thrilled you're hanging out with us today. Look, if you're a focused learner who's looking to turn a little creative spark into a seriously profitable venture, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're exploring the highly profitable world of whiteboard animations. We're going to break down the core logic behind why these work so incredibly well, and more importantly, we're going to examine 3 distinct powerful software tools you can use right now to build these profitable creations yourself.
So, here is our roadmap for today. First up, we'll look at the whiteboard profit potential. Then we'll dive into our 3 tools. Method 1 using Canva, Method 2 with Render Forest, and Method 3 featuring Mango Animate. Finally, we'll wrap up by helping you choose your ideal animation tool. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The whiteboard profit potential.
Okay, so the core formula for your success here really starts with that unique, hand-drawn aesthetic. There's just something fundamentally captivating about watching a drawing literally come to life in real time, right? It's like a magic trick happening right in front of you. This hand-drawn style actively keeps viewers engaged all the way to the very end of the presentation. And in the world of online content, what does high viewer retention actually lead to? You guessed it, much longer watch times. Those longer watch times signal to the algorithms that your content is super valuable, which pushes it out to more people and ultimately results in higher earnings for you. It's basically a direct, logical pipeline from a simple visual style to actual revenue.
Section 2.
Method 1. Canva. Now, you probably know Canva, but it isn't just for static graphics anymore. It actually has a massive internal app ecosystem. Think of Canva as your ultimate app integrator method. Here's your step-by-step workflow. First, you're going to log in, open a page with your desired dimensions, write out your script using the text tool, and then just search the Elements menu for sketch-style visuals that fit your topic. You then download those exact visuals as PNG files. Next up, open a blank video file in Canva. Navigate over to the App section and search for Speed Paint. Now, there are a couple of options here, like Speeder and Speed Paint, but we really want to focus on an app called Speed Painter. You upload your PNG image straight into Speed Painter. But keep in mind, the app starts you off with 30 credits, and your credit usage is going to vary based on how long your project is. Finally, to get that classic aesthetic, you simply activate the Add Sketching Hand effect, hit Generate, and boom. Just like that, your core visual is ready to go.
But hey,
A totally silent drawing isn't quite enough to capture an audience, is it? What makes this Canva method so incredibly efficient is that you literally never have to leave the platform to finish the entire project. It's a real game changer. You can enhance your brand new animation directly within Canva by utilizing the Murph AI app for some seriously high-quality AI-generated voiceovers. After that, you just search Canva's audio section for some background music, layer the whole shebang together, and your entire project is done, all in one centralized hub.
Moving on to Section 3. Method 2. Render Forest.
So, if Canva is the app integrator, our next option takes automation to an entirely new level. It operates as a true AI powerhouse. Render Forest is designed purely for remarkable speed. When you log in, you just click Whiteboard up in the top menu and select Create My Whiteboard. Right away, you get a choice of drawing styles. You can have a pen actually drawing your images or a hand physically dragging the elements right onto the screen. Once you pick your style, you bypass all the standard ready-made templates and select AI-powered creation. Now here is where it gets really fascinating. You simply type in a prompt, for example, create an informative video about how to make whiteboard animation videos, and then you click the Do Magic button. After a quick free sign-up, the AI goes to work and generates the entire structure for you.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how capable that AI really is. It generated this actual script from that one simple prompt. Creating whiteboard animation videos can be a fun and profitable venture on YouTube. Here's how to get started. It actually goes on to structure the content so logically, advising the viewer to choose a topic, write a concise script, use software to bring it to life, and then add complementary voiceovers and sound effects. So it doesn't just build the visuals. It genuinely attempts to write valuable, cohesive spoken content for you in a matter of seconds. It's wild.
Of course, using a highly automated tool like this does come with an objective trade-off.
Looking at the pro side, Render Forest is highly effective because it handles literally all the steps and creates the entire project in one go. Plus, you can freely edit the music, voice, text, and colors right from a really simple side menu. However, if we look at the limitations, the free version does come with compromises. When you go to download your final creation, you are going to face resolution limits and a big platform watermark. To remove that watermark and unlock higher resolutions, you are required to upgrade your package. So it's that classic balance, right? Incredible convenience versus paywalled premium features.
Section 4. Method 3. Mango Animate.
Now, unlike Canva or Render Forest, which run directly in your web browser, Mango Animate offers a totally different workflow environment. This is a dedicated desktop application. You'll need to actually download and install the Whiteboard Animation Maker straight onto your computer. But don't worry, the setup is incredibly fast. It literally takes about 2 minutes after you register and confirm your email. Once you're in there, you can choose from pre-made templates, but if you really want to build from scratch, you'll just open a new empty project. From there, the workflow is super structured. You select your visuals from the menu on the right side, and a massive benefit here is that you can easily upload and use your own custom images directly from your hard drive. Finally, you manage your audio and music options using the panels located at the bottom and sides of your workspace. So it provides a very traditional, robust software editing experience.
Section 5. Choosing your animation tool. Okay, so the crucial point is, which one is right for you? Let's summarize our options. We have Method 1, Canva, the app integrator. This is absolutely fantastic if you already use Canva and love a layered approach. But remember, you do have to manage those third-party app credits like with Speed Painter. Then we have Method 2, Render Forest, the AI powerhouse. In terms of pure speed, this one really stands out because it creates the entire package in one go. But you have to be comfortable either dealing with watermarks or dropping some cash to upgrade your account. Finally, Method 3 is Mango Animate, the desktop app. This is absolutely perfect if you prefer working offline from your hard drive and want total, from-scratch control using your own uploaded images. It is highly encouraged that you check out the specific features and pricing of each method to find your absolute perfect fit.
We've seen that the profit potential behind these engaging, hand-drawn creations is very real. It leads straight to viewer retention and higher earnings. And as we've explored today, the tools to actually make it happen are more accessible than ever before. Whether you choose the seamless integration of Canva, the AI magic of Render Forest, or the dedicated desktop control of Mango Animate, the opportunity is right there waiting for you. So, I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. Which tool will you use to draw up your own success? I really hope this explainer gave you exactly the clarity you need to get started. Dive in, start creating, and I'll catch you next time.